Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep. If arc lengths make you want to scream in terror, well then let's take a step into the quiet place, because we're getting in there ACT math style. This was question 47 from the math section of ACT 74H. Right there, you can pause it, pause the video, take a crack at it yourself, and then unpause and watch the explanation. Because we're doing this thing. It reads, a circle with a radius 10 centimeters is divided into 3 congruent arcs. What is the length in centimeters of each of the 3 arcs? Okay, dubs TF is an arc. Well, an arc length is a portion of the circumference, sort of like the crust of a pizza. What would the circumference be of this circle? Well, its radius is 10, and we know that circumference is 2 pi r. So 20 pi would be the circumference of this circle, and we're going to divide that into 3 congruent arc lengths. So we'll take that 20 pi and divide it by 3. Oh snap, are we done? Because that's exactly what answer choice B says. Ermagerd. Super cool. The answer is B. As we saw, arc lengths aren't that scary. It's just a portion of the circumference, in the same way that a sector is a portion of the area, or a central angle is a portion of 360. And we can usually set those up as proportions. In this case, all we needed to do was find the circumference and divide it by 3. Didn't even need our calculators. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? Or go out there and eat someone else's pizza crust. If you have any questions about this problem or any others, feel free to hit me up in the comments below, or you can email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. In the meantime, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.